Hello guys, welcome in Zachariah channel. Today's video we will talk about freedom random videos. Our subject in first video of this series, we will talk about Windows Subsystem for Linux. What is the Windows Subsystem for Linux? The Windows Subsystem for Linux lets developers run a GNU Linux environment, including most command line tools, utilities, and applications directly in Windows without the overhead of a virtual machine. How to install the Windows Subsystem for Linux? First, you have to enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux optional features before installing any Linux distros. There is two methods to enable this feature. First, from PowerShell. Go to Start, right-click, and choose Windows PowerShell Admin. After the PowerShell pop up, type this command in the description. The second method, from Control Panel. Open the Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and click in the left on Turn Windows Feature on or off, and go to and search about Windows Subsystem for Linux and check it. After enabling this feature, restart your computer. So, after you start your computer, go to Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu. So, after installing Ubuntu, click on the Windows button and R and type cmd. The command line will pop up, and type bash or WSL, and the Windows Subsystem for Linux will appear. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in other videos.